الكفر إنهم لن يضروا الله شيئا يريد الله ألا يجعل لهم حظا في الآخرة ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Let not those who run towards unbelief grieve you. They shall not hurt Allah in the least. Allah will not provide for them any share in the next life. A mighty chastisement awaits them.
إن الذين اشتروا الكفر بالإيمان لن يضروا الله شيئا ولهم عذاب أليم.
Indeed, those who have purchased unbelief in exchange for faith shall not hurt Allah in the least. Theirs shall be a painful chastisement.
ولا يحسبن الذين كفروا أنما نملي لهم خير لأنفسهم إنما نملي لهم ليزدادوا إثما ولهم عذاب مهين.
Let not the unbelievers imagine that the respite we grant them is good for them. We grant them respite so that they may grow in wickedness. A humiliating chastisement awaits them.
ما كان الله ليذر المؤمنين على ما أنتم عليه حتى يميز الخبيث من الطيب وما كان الله ليطلعكم على الغيب ولكن الله يجتبي من رسله من يشاء فآمنوا بالله ورسله وإن تؤمنوا وتتقوا فلكم أجر عظيم.
Allah will not let the believers stay in the state they are. He will set the wicked apart from the good. Allah is not going to disclose to you what is hidden in the realm beyond the reach of perception. But He chooses from among His messengers whom He wills to intimate such knowledge. So believe in Allah and in His messengers, and if you believe and become God-fearing, yours will be a great reward.
ولا يحسبن الذين يبخلون بما آتاهم الله من فضله هو خيرا لهم بل هو شر لهم سيطبقون ما بخلوا به يوم القيامة ولله ميراث السماوات والأرض والله بما تعملون خبير.
Those who are niggardly about what Allah has granted them out of His bounty think that niggardliness is good for them. Rather, it is bad for them. What they were niggardly about will turn into a halter round their necks on the day of resurrection. To Allah belongs the inheritance of the heavens and the earth. Allah is well aware of what you do.